Hello YouTube, I hope you're doing fine today. Today we are going to see that if you are a brand owner or a restaurant or have a menu or have a catalog or a product in catalog book, and you need to frequently make changes to it and want to share it with your customers, and you are really tight on budget as well, and you want to do it free and do not have a website, then it's really easy and it's totally 100% free, and you can do it using Google Sheets. For example, you're a restaurant owner and you have a menu and you need to share it with your customers online who want to order, and you can have it on the Google Sheet and publish it and share the link with your customers. Then it's really easy for you to do this. Let's just not waste more time and get to the computer screen so that we can get to know better. First of all, you need to go to the sheets.google.com, Google Chrome, and then sheets.google.com. My Gmail account is already logged in. If you have a Gmail account, then you are supposed to log in your Gmail account. For example, we have, let's create a new blank sheet. I'll create a new blank sheet. You need to make sure that your Google account is logged in here, alright? Otherwise you will not be able to make changes. Let's suppose, for example, this is a XYZ restaurant, alright? Product information, suppose pizza, cheese sticks, cheese fries, Zinger burger, French fries. Let's suppose these are the items, and you can name the column, item name, and price. I'm really bad at typing, so pizza is, let's suppose, for $10. And cheese sticks is for, like, let's suppose it's for $3, and cheese fries are for $8. This is just for example. And Zinger burger is for 15 United States dollars, and French fries are, let's suppose, for $6, let's say. You can format your things accordingly, whatever you want to do. So all you have to do is to update your menu. Alright, you need to update your menu whatever way you want to update. Formatting is on your go. So go to the file. This automatically saves. You can see over here, last added was a second ago. It automatically saves. So you need to go to the share option, click the file, share, and publish to the web. You'll go to publish to the web option, and you will find these options: entire document or whichever sheet you want to publish. I'm going to, you can embed as well, so you can use web page, PDF document, Microsoft Excel, open document, spreadsheet, comma separated values. It's most preferable to use the web page option. Click the publish button and this will be published. This would be the link you might be needing later on to share with your customers. Copy the link, alright, and you can use this link. Open the Microsoft Google Incognito mode, alright, open the link and try that if it's working or not. You can see it's working, and on the footnote you will see published by Google Sheets, automatically updated every 5 minutes. So whatever price you will be updating, it will be automatically updated on the back end within 5 minutes. So what I will do, copy the link, close it, and use any URL shortener for free. Let's suppose I'm going to use URL shortener free. Click the link here and shorten this URL. Oh, it's saying that this isn't a valid URL. Oh, it's done. So this is a short URL. Now just to ensure that if it's correct or not, you can click open a new Google Incognito mode by pressing Ctrl Shift and N button and paste the newly copied link, short link, and enter it. See, this would be like a web page, and your customer will be able to see the prices or whatever product you want to share with your customers, and you can share this link on your web page or your Facebook page or whatever social media you're using. You can use it on the WhatsApp as well. So that's a little free tool for new startups who cannot afford to buy a website and to share the menu. So you can use this link to put on multiple platforms. See, this is a very short link and you can add it into your favorites or bookmarks as well. So that's all. If you have liked the video and it was helpful for you, do give it a big thumbs up and tell us in the comments that how can I share more videos that can be more helpful for you. You can share your problems in the comments as well, and also tell me that from which part of the world you're watching this video. That's all. Have a great day. Bye bye.